Palmas of Vino Hotel Agency for Gina Marcela Carcamarreta, Signature English for Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR. From the origin of our business group, it was mainly emphasized in the provision of environments that are offered from our hotel chain, where several offers are included in the available lodging package, restaurant rooms, or open space for the organization of events such as meetings, conference, and talk with a certain number of people. Below, we will show you the offer of the prices you can enjoy even if you want to have fun and vacation during your stay in our hotels. Since 2010, we have been increasing in offers of tourist places in the city of Santa Marta, around the beach, as well as open space with ocean views, restaurants for executive meals, and comfortable places with a good price such as. In the picture to refers the restaurant, the rooms, we also have offers if you want to get distracted and enjoy the beach, the breeze, and the sea in the Taganga, a tourist seat, beautiful and recognized to enjoy unforgettable days on your vacation, just like the Tayrona Park. You can also enjoy the boat ride in the Pie Crystal. Choose your best option to have the pleasure of serving you and offering you the best possible service. Thanks.